Welcome visitors. In this video, I am going to tell you about the conversation between two friends about golf game. You have to watch few videos about conversation between friends and have to practice with your friends. Then it is a step which I leaving on you guys, and you have to do practice with your friends. You don't have to worry about the world and the people around you that you are speaking English. When I started to speaking English, then I started with my friends. They don't like it and few like the most. So this is the very important step in my life to learn English. So there are many videos available at the YouTube, and you have a lot of friends which I am considering important for you. Friends are like gems. They can make you the best and make you the worst. So it is up to you to practice. So let's watch video.
Game. Hi Colin. When are you next going to play golf?
I am going to play tomorrow with friends from work this Saturday.
Do you already have a foursome?
Yes, we do. If you like, we can have a game at weekend.
That's a great idea. Where do you playing?
Let's choose somewhere close for both of us.
How about Marina Beach? That is close for us both.
How much is it for a round of golf there?
For a one-day pass, it is 250 rupees.
That's a good price. Let's go for it.
Okay, let's make it 12 p.m. on Saturday. Is that alright for you?
Make it 1 p.m. My wife works till 12 p.m. and I have to look after the kids.
1 p.m. it is.
Okay, see you on Saturday. Should be a lot of fun.
So as you can see in this video, two friends are in conversation with each other. So you have to practice for yourself. Thank you.